In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build workflows in Asana step by step. We'll walk through creating a simple yet effective workflow so you can organize tasks and manage projects with confidence. Start on your desktop and log into your Asana account. Once you're in, glance at the left-hand sidebar and find the option to create a project under your workspace. Click it to open the Project Setup window. Give your project a clear, memorable name that reflects the work you're managing. A crisp name makes it easier for teammates to find and understand. Next, choose your layout. If you prefer a linear checklist where tasks are stacked and sorted, go with List. If you like visual stages, choose Board, which uses columns to represent steps in your process. Either layout supports the same core features, so choose what matches how your team thinks. Click Create Project to open your new workspace for this workflow. Inside the project, look for the Add Task field and create your first task. Type a concise task name that starts with an action verb, then press Enter to save it. From here, assign the task by clicking the Assignee field and selecting the right teammate. Clear ownership prevents confusion and keeps momentum. Add a due date by clicking the calendar icon and picking a realistic deadline. Dates help you plan capacity and set expectations. If your project includes fields for priority and status, use them to flag urgency and communicate where work stands. This makes scanning the project much faster. To map out the steps of your workflow, add structure with sections in List View or columns in Board View. Name each stage to mirror your process, such as To Do, In Progress, Review, and Done. Then drag and drop tasks into the appropriate sections or columns so everyone can see progress at a glance. Continue adding tasks, assigning owners, setting due dates, and placing them into the right stages until your project reflects the full workflow. When a task is complex, click Add Subtask under that task to break it into smaller, manageable steps. Subtasks are great for checklists like gathering assets, drafting, and final approval, and they keep work organized within the parent task. To stay on top of activity, use the left sidebar. Inbox shows updates on tasks you're involved in, so you never miss a change. Insights and reporting give you a quick view of progress trends, workload, and potential bottlenecks, helping you adjust priorities before issues grow. That's it. You've built a clear, trackable workflow in Asana. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.